October 9th, 2025, Aurora police officers responded to a crowd that had assembled around a federal ICE enforcement operation. This footage raises three distinct legal questions: the scope of First Amendment protections during federal enforcement activity, the lawfulness of less lethal force deployment against an obstructing crowd, and the criminal threshold separating protected protest from obstruction.
Out of here then?
I would. You gotta ask these guys, man.
We don't want them here. Get them the f*** out.
Why are you guys working with them? Why are you guys working with them?
Let's just make sure. Let's sit on the perimeter and make sure nobody else comes in. Yep.
Are they going to make them move out of that parking lot?
Well, it's not our parking lot, ma'am. It's a public. Right. So unless the owner comes out here and they do that, then that's fine. You're all more than welcome to record whatever. Just please stay on the sidewalk, okay? Thank you very much. I understand that. Like I said, you're more than welcome to stay here. Just please stay on the sidewalk, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. No, I get it. I get it. I know. I understand.
Right in front of my house.
Just, I want to make sure that you're okay. Do you mind just going to the sidewalk, please? Just staying on the sidewalk. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, I can stay right here. That's fine with us.
Matter of fact, that Jeep right there, part of the investigation.
Go for the real criminals and we won't be mad. Go for the real criminals and we won't be mad. People for no reason. What's wrong with you guys?
Stay on the sidewalk. All right, let them do their job. Let them do their job. We can't clear the street.
No, I said.
As long as they're on the sidewalk, they're
yeah, no, that's what I was telling them.
fine.
Absolutely.
We are U.S. citizens. We don't pay taxes for this. This is Nazism.
Hey.
I cannot believe this. Piece by piece. So disappointing. Piece by piece.
Get out of here now. Get out. Get out. Get out.
Just record them and pray for them. There's power in prayer.
I don't know why they blocked that driveway. I was trying to.
Because this is the day that the Lord has made. Come on, somebody. He's good and he's good all the time.
All the time.
All the time.
We're just gonna stay on the perimeter right here, make sure everything's good. That's all. Hey guys, if you guys just want to spread out.
She's on rapid response. But I
Okay.
haven't seen her.
Yeah, no, like I said, you're all more than welcome to stay here.
No,
That's fine.
We're trying to find out what the guy's name to kill his family.
I understand.
That's all we're trying to do.
Yeah, and I think you should be able to do that.
Back up, back up.
And he's not ready.
Why are you doing that? He's not even doing nothing.
Back up. Get back like everybody else. I don't care who you are. Get back. Get back. Get back. You don't have to push me. I don't care who you are. I was backing up. Respect me.
Just stay here. Over
You
here.
respect
Stay
me,
over
I
here.
respect
I'm sorry
you.
That's happening. You stay over here.
Okay?
Thank you so much.
I understand that. But there's a right way and there's a wrong way. That's the wrong way to do that. Okay? You don't push people. Respect them.
Hey guys, get on the sidewalk.
Shame on you! Shame on you!
What is Josh? What?
I said stay on the sidewalks on the perimeter right here. And if they need to get out, we'll get them out.
Can we have somebody move that vehicle right there?
Remember this guy. He will be important later.
No, you can't.
You're not. You can't block them in.
They're law enforcement. You can't block them in. You still can't block them in.
Can't block them in. You want them to leave? You want them to leave this
Before they arrest people. Good try, though. That shit don't matter.
That's right there. They're the ones in the exit. You know what they're doing. You know what they're doing. Kidnapping, community. That's what they're doing.
And y'all defending
And y'all
that
ain't
shit.
doing nothing.
That's f***ed up. Oh, but
Y'all ain't doing nothing.
You can't record. It's illegal to record on your personal device. Put that shit down, asshole. Put it down. It's illegal to record on your personal device. Put it down.
You can't fucking record on
your hand, right?
And just stay back
But
here,
all
please.
unarmed people, right? Yeah, go ahead. Shake that shit. Take your claws up.
Is this yours?
She told me.
Just do me a favor, pull forward. That way we can get them out of here.
Déjala ir, güey. Déjala ir. No
Wait,
te
hold
dejes.
on. They need to move out, so they're gonna use the tow
Tell
truck.
them to tow it. Let them tow it.
It's like $150 tow.
It's just moving in the front, relax.
Okay, but where? Over there
Yeah,
is gonna get towed.
Move it straight ahead for now.
Can you ask her if she got the key?
Who?
She's arrested. She's in the car, in the back of the car.
She's got the keys.
Yeah, it's her car.
We're trying to get that blue car
Yeah,
moved.
I requested the female officer to come over here several times. She won't let me touch her to get her keys from her.
Because they're trying to move the car for her. Can I have the car keys, please?
Again, I'm in handcuffs. My keys are in my pockets. I need to be able to reach them. I don't trust the male reaching on me.
Okay, fair enough.
Can we put my vehicle on the street? It says you cannot park here.
You'll be okay. You got somebody that can take it from here?
Not unless I can call people.
That I can't help you with, but I'll make sure it doesn't.
I have my phone.
I'll make sure it doesn't get towed from here. Okay?
No, I want that in writing then.
I'll make sure of it.
Right here.
I didn't get to come in like Spencer going
Fine, right?
Hey Scott, we're gonna need to move that GMC and get them out that way.
You just wanna go and block it off, and then just tell them to back up. Like close the road.
Get them to back into that parking lot.
Yeah. Hello, ma'am.
No, hello. I don't want to talk to you. Kick
Okay.
them out. Private property. Kick
Well,
them out.
you're in the public
this
road,
is the
and
motherfucker.
you
I
stop.
can't go nowhere.
Well, you need to back
Motherfucker, I
up. We're
can't go
gonna.
nowhere. If I back up, you're gonna ticket me.
No, I'm
I
not.
can't
I'm
go
asking you to
nowhere.
back up.
You
I'm
just
asking
wanna
you to
arrest
back
people.
up.
You just want to arrest people.
I don't wanna
You're not
arrest
kicking
anybody.
Them out. Public disturbance. You're not kicking them out.
Okay, well, you need to back
You're
up.
not kicking them out. You need to deal with that shit.
Oh yeah, there you go. Just pull forward.
Okay, sorry.
Just straight forward. Thank you. Ready to leave?
Get out of here, Rookie! Get out of here, Rookie! You work for us! Get out of here! You work for us! Get out of here! Public property! Get out of here!
We're leaving.
Free speech. I'm not touching. I'm not doing nothing. Free speech. Free speech.
Because they're trying to leave, and I'm trying to make sure that happens. They're gonna leave right now. This is the only exit. I have no idea, miss. Not from this parking lot. I need you. Please back up. Please back up, man. Oh, we need to make room for the vehicle to come out. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Yeah, man, make sure you back up. Just back up. Sir, you need to back up. You can't impede.
Go ahead, you spray them too. You spray them too.
Sir, come
You
on,
can
man.
spray the cops too.
Come on, boss. Let's go.
He's a Nazi, I'm telling you.
Let them go. You guys suck. Why you hit me? Why you hit me, dude?
You're not moving out of the way. They have hit me though, bro. You're creating a hazard for them. Just back up, please.
The 10th Circuit Court of Appeals resolved the recording question definitively in Irizarry versus Yehia, 38F, 4th 1282, decided in 2022. That decision confirmed that recording police in a public space is a clearly established constitutional right in Colorado. Officers who acknowledge that right on camera and do so accurately are not extending courtesy. They are complying with binding circuit precedent. The Supreme Court in City of Houston versus Hill, 482 U.S. 451, held that speech which merely berates or insults a law enforcement officer is protected under the First Amendment, regardless of how profane or hostile it may be. Verbal protest directed at police, including profanity and accusations of complicity, does not, standing alone, constitute grounds for arrest. The legal line this crowd crossed is defined by Colorado Revised Statutes, Section 18-8-104, obstructing a peace officer. That statute criminalizes using physical interference to obstruct, impair, or hinder a peace officer acting under color of official authority. Standing in the path of a moving law enforcement vehicle, after repeated dispersal orders, satisfies every element of that statute. The First Amendment offers no shelter here. The OC spray deployment is governed by the Supreme Court standard in Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1989. Graham requires that force be objectively reasonable under the totality of circumstances known to the officer at the moment, not judged with 20/20 hindsight. At the moment of deployment, a crowd was physically blocking the exit path of moving vehicles. Verbal commands had been issued and ignored across several minutes. Under Aurora PD's use of force policy, consistent with Colorado Post standards, OC spray is a recognized less lethal option against individuals creating a physical hazard. The deployment is legally defensible. However, deploying OC spray in a densely packed crowd raises a precision question Graham does not answer alone. If bystanders not actively obstructing the vehicle were affected, as crowd members immediately allege that exposure requires independent policy review.
Can I get some more officers over there?
Back up! Back off! Back up! Back off!
I will. I'm done.
Roll on your side.
We got it. We got him.
Hey, Mike, just right over here. Got cuffs coming.
Yep.
How are you not embarrassed?
I'm not.
You're not?
Nope.
The crowd is continuing to grow.
Okay.
Stand up.
93.
Hey, roll over to your side.
Yeah, here. Come over here.
Why are you not arresting him? Did he do anything?
Yeah, I accidentally punched your window out of an ice man. Lucas. Let's go this way.
Take all you guys.
Why y'all taking him? Why y'all taking that Nazi that we're having kids present? Huh? Why ain't you community? We pay your checks. We pay your checks. Y'all got undocumented patient checks. And y'all ain't doing jack shit to fucking back us out. Nothing.
Those my windows are flimsy, man. Do me a favor, buddy. Can you just stand?
Is this your relative or?
We live right there, 629. Okay. You can go home.
You understand? We can watch.
I don't think he
crime.
does understand.
No, what
I don't
I'm
think
saying,
anybody understands.
when we witness a crime, we can't just pretend it didn't happen. You understand? It
I think
happened right in front
you just
of us.
witnessed a crime and you're pretending it didn't happen.
So,
Hey, hell, guys, they're illegally. I'm just playing.
come on, man. We're trying to be mediators, right?
I know
got
you are,
jobs to
though,
do.
man. You should stop ICE, not with us. All right,
Well,
you guys all good?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are. Turn your siren.
Let's hop out.
We're going to go ahead and get in the back.
Hey, Sean, he's actively bleeding from the hand, so make sure you guys definitely.
Take that gloves on.
Make sure you've got gloves, like latex.
He's got a little blood on his finger. Coming from finger somewhere on it. You better have your family on enemy line.
We got some guy over
When we go to war, you better be the first one. You better have your guard.
Stop. Stay away from his car.
Get that motherfucker. Come here, boy.
Nothing major message.
Get that motherfucker needs to be arrested.
God damn it. I don't know.
No, we don't know exactly.
He just said he needs to be arrested.
Going up to the car.
You gotta get out. Goodbye.
The subject's arrest for striking and breaking a moving vehicle window is supported by two independent statutes. Colorado Revised Statute Section 18-4-501. Criminal mischief requires only the knowing damage of another's property. Section 18-8-104 adds the element of physical interference. With an active law enforcement operation, both elements are present on camera. The subject's own statement, "I accidentally punched a window out," confirms the act occurred. The word accidentally does not negate the volitional element required under Colorado's criminal mischief statute. The arrest carries valid probable cause. One crowd member's statements referencing violence against officers and their families require brief analysis under Virginia v. Black, 538 U.S. 343. That decision established that true threat statements communicating a serious intent to commit violence against an identifiable group fall outside First Amendment protection. Whether those statements met the criminal threshold is a prosecutorial determination. Officers chose not to arrest. That decision reflects a real-time credibility assessment that Graham v. Connor expressly requires officers to make in the moment.
Are we gonna have any more?
Where's the other ice guy? He went around here.
Stay out of the road. Stay out of the road. Do we have anybody else to go or just the one? Back up. You're good. Back it up a little bit farther. Okay. All right. Don't run over anybody. Let's go down to Lincoln and we'll take Lincoln down.
Real good. Where she can no longer be in the
Yep.
All right, Benjamin, make your way over here. Be careful, watch your head.
Hey, just step right here for me. We're just gonna grab the one. I got him.
Okay.
Yep.
Aurora police officers receive a grade of B+. Legal compliance was strong from the outset. Recording rights acknowledged accurately. Verbal de-escalation sustained and documented. Female arrestee's Fourth Amendment. Interest in her person respected during the key retrieval sequence. The grade falls short of an A for two reasons. Dismissive communication during a crowd push at approximately 3 minutes 26 seconds. Fell below Aurora PD's own de-escalation standard, and the OC deployment's precision in a crowd setting warrants policy-level scrutiny. The arrested subject receives a grade of D. The act was criminal under two independent Colorado statutes, confirmed by direct officer observation and the subject's own admission. Compliance following the takedown prevents a lower grade. The protesting crowd collectively receives a grade of C. The majority maintained constitutionally protected conduct throughout. The grade reflects the minority who physically obstructed departing vehicles and the threatening statements that edged beyond protected speech. The critical lesson this incident illustrates is the distinction between expressive conduct and physical conduct under the First Amendment. Speech, recording, and assembly on public sidewalks carry strong constitutional protection. The moment a protester's body becomes a physical obstacle to a moving vehicle, that protection ends and criminal liability under C.R.S. Section 18-8-104 begins. Effective protest does not require obstruction. Understanding that boundary protects both the protester's rights and their freedom. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.